die. Not if we can stop.
Will we make a tap for the world?
Peter made a lasso. Peter climbed up the tree. From the wolf came crying.
What's going on? I'm going to bet you.
Peter called the wolves with his tail.
Shasha, go for help!
Later on, Peter heard hunting sounds.
Here come the 3 hamsters.
We are coming to get you.
There's no escape for you. You can hear it.
Shasha has brought help at last.
So they helped tie the wolf to a pole and carried him through the village.
And the village cheers.
Hooray, hooray, the heroes are coming. You saved the village.
Poor Sonia.
Sasha wasn't happy. He was thinking of Sonia, his lost friend. Then he returned quickly to the tree.
Don't worry, I'm alive.
She was hidden inside the tree and was safe and sound. The villagers decided to put the wolf in the village zoo, where he lived happily ever after.